right, guys, we're here with a premium AC compressor. I'm throwing one of these bad boys in, a Jetta, 2016 model. Of course, you've got to use the Amazon vehicle feature when you're searching for parts for your vehicle. And what's nice about Amazon is if you put in the year, make, and model, it will guarantee or not guarantee a fit for said components. So we picked this one up. We're going to be putting it in here into this Jetta, and we'll let you know how it goes. But yeah, we just grabbed this thing from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here for you. What's nice about it is it came packaged nice and sealed. Hey, you got a glove? Got a pair of gloves. I should have opened the box before I began the job. So that's neat. It does have installation instructions there. But yeah, so it looks like they did a good job packaging it. Like I said, including a set of gloves there to help with the install, so you don't bust your knuckles like I have already. But yeah, we're gonna put this thing in, give you a look to see how it's functioning once we get it in, and we'll let you know. But so far so good. All right, so we're gonna continue on the unboxing here. So here's the component itself. What's nice is they have it pre-filled and sealed. So your compressor is pre-filled. Of course, your sensors are there ready to go, just to be plugged in. So again, so far looking pretty good with this premium AC compressor. And we're gonna go ahead and finish the install here and let you know what we think. All right, here we go, guys. So the AC compressor is installed. Again, what's awesome is if you can see that up there, let's see if I can't get that locked in. It says oil pre-filled. It tells you what oil pre-filled, type oil it used, recharge, refrigerant type. Of course, that's the version for this specific model of vehicle that we're working on. So we're running a vacuum on the AC system itself now. Amazon sells those vacuum sets as well. You can pick one up there. Let that vacuum run, especially if you're disassembling your AC components and letting it sit for a little bit as you pull out the old AC compressor, put in the new. You're going to want to let that vacuum, let me show you. You're going to want to let that vacuum run for at least 45 minutes. Some say 30. I say, why mess around and not give it the time it needs to vacuum out your system. What's cool is you can also pick these AC, vehicle AC car gauges and hoses off of Amazon as well. But again, you want your negative 30 pressure on your gauge, and you want at least, like I said, 45 minutes on that thing. Go for an hour. It's only going to ensure that all the moisture is out of your system. Then refill your vehicle refrigerant. If you're wondering how that works, it's always at some point under the hood, which tells you what type of refrigerant your AC system uses for your vehicle. For this one, it's the R134A. But again, it's going to be specific to your make and model of vehicle, and it's usually up underneath the hood of your car. So yeah, we'll finish this job out, and once we get things refilled, we'll get you another video to show you how it's going. All right, so there we go, guys. The AC system itself has been recharged. What's neat is this thermal probe you can pick up from Amazon as well, but it's measuring the temperature at 49.1. I think we're good to go. Go grab yourself one of these today.